Today we're going to show you how to give to CCF Beyond via the CCF website. First, open your web browser and type ccf.org.ph/give and press enter. Now you'll see three options: debit or credit card, bank transfer or deposit, and other local or international payment channels. But for today, we'll go with one of the simplest, which is debit or credit card, so click on that. Step 1 is to choose the recipient, so click on the box labeled Beyond Missions, and then type the amount you want to give. Step 2 is the frequency of your giving. There is one time, weekly, bi-monthly, and monthly. So let's go with monthly, and we'll choose a starting date for our monthly giving. We can state how many months, so for this example we can choose 3 months. You can then request for an official receipt. Just type in your name and your email where it will be sent. Check the terms and agreements if you agree, and click Send Request. Now click Confirm all the data and click Proceed to Payment. Fill out your credit card or debit card details. And then fill out your contact details. You have the option to send the confirmation to your cell phone number if you want. Finally, click Pay. The page will then ask for your OTP, or your one-time passcode, which you should not share with anyone. Type the OTP and click Submit. And that's it. You've given to CCF Beyond.